Good day, sir. My name is Lawrence Julia at your student nurse for the day. Before I proceed on this procedure po I'm gonna do is provide privacy. May I know your name, sir?
Jim Kelly Dalusano,
Age po?
19,
Birthday po?
April 7, 2006.
Okay, sir. Thank you. In this procedure po I'm gonna do is bed bath. I will touch your head, chest, abdomen, and lower extremities and upper extremities and perineal care. Okay lang po ba yan, sir? Okay po. I will be performing hand hygiene. And I already gather all equipment. And clean gloves. Okay, sir. Tatanggalin ko na po yung unang, sir. Maglalagay na po ako ng towel sa ulo niya po. Second towel. First is head. Sir, can you check the temperature of papi? If sobrang lamig po ba or sobrang init?
Okay lang.
Ayan po. May suit po ba ang contact lens, sir?
Wala.
Wala naman po. First is inner canthus. Second is outer canthus. Forehead. And then cheeks. And then chin. And then nose. And then ears. And then neck. Okay, let's proceed in upper extremities. Sir, can you expose your both of your hands, sir? And then make sure towel is lengthwise. Distal to proxima. Then wash it again. Then hand and fingernails. And dry it. Sir, pwede bang and then put a deodorant if necessary. Let's proceed in chest and abdominal. Get a new towel. Then adjust the blanket. Then open the sheet. Then wash the towel so it can water. Abdominal hanggang sa chest, pangat. Then the leg, and put it the blanket back. Then remove the towel. Let's proceed in lower extremities. Let's proceed in lower extremities. First is fold blanket. Then place another towel. Sir, pangat, sir. Wash. Dry. And then lotion. Turn on the filter. After that procedure, repeat it in other side. Okay, let's start in perennial curd. Before I start, make sure na bago ang towel and water and clean gloves. Sir, pakailangan po ng ano, sir? let's start. After that, then remove gloves. Good day, sir. My name is Lauren Chudiacat, your student nurse for today. Before I proceed in this procedure po, I'll be providing privacy. May I know your name, sir?
Jean Kelly Del Rosario.
Birthday po,
April 7, 2006.
age po.
19.
In this procedure po, sir, is I'm gonna do is shampooing you. Hugasan ko, isa-shampoo po yung ulo niyo po, okay lang po.
Mhm.
Okay po. Performing hand hygiene. I already gathered all equipment. Sir, pwede pong ulit po yung atras po yung mga po. Rinse ko na ba na sir?
Mhm.
Maglalagay na po ako ng shampoo. Ito na muna sir. Bakit ito na muna sir? Atras po sir. Move gloves and perform an hygiene. That's all. Thank you so much. student nurse for today. Before this procedure po, sir, is I be providing privacy. May I know your name, sir?
Jean Kelly Del Rosario.
Birthday po?
April 7, 2006.
Age po?
19.
Okay, sir. In this procedure po, sir, is I'm going to do is back massage. Hawakan ko po yung likod niya, sir, and ililift ko po yung damit niya. Okay lang po ba yun? Okay po. Perform hand hygiene. And gather all equipment. Andito na po lahat ng essential oil, sir. Pwede na po kayo mamili. Ano pong gusto niyo?
Baby oil.
Okay, sir. Ma-adjust ko na po yung bumat, sir. Okay lang po. Okay lang po ba na mag-prone position po kayo, sir? And then yung ulo niyo po papunta po sa akin. Okay lang po. Okay, sir. Ganyan yun, sir. Comfortable naman po kayo, sir. Ililift ko na po yung damit na, sir. Apply oil. Make it warm. First massage po, sir, is upward anterage. Apply oil. Make it warm. Second massage po, sir, is Petrisage. Then, third massage is Taputment. Bababa ko na po yung damit niya, sir. And then, sir, balik na po kayo sa supine position po, sir. Comfortable naman po kayo, sir. Okay po. Perform hand hygiene. Your student nurse for the day. Before I proceed in this procedure, please, I'm gonna do is provide privacy. May I know your name, sir?
Jean Kelly Del Rosario.
Age po?
19.
Birthday po?
April 7, 2006.
Okay, thank you. In this procedure po, sir, is I'm gonna do is oral care po, which is i-brush ko po yung teeth niyo. Okay lang po ba yun? I'll be performing hand hygiene and gather all equipment. Okay lang po ba, sir, na Magpasite po kayo ng position, ma'am. Mag-place na po ako ng towel sa ulo niyo po, sir. Po ng ulo. Base container. Then apply toothpaste. Open ang bibig, sir. Labas po ng dila, sir. Open po, sir. Gusto niyo po ng tubig sa bibig, sir? Open po ng water. Paano po ng water? Sa ulo niya. And document all findings.